We're going to be taking the lower half off, bearings off, and make sure there's no scoring. We'll rotate the engine over, get those to a good point, and crack them loose. We got the new bearings in. Old bearings look great. No issues with the crankshaft journal. So what we're doing now is going to throw our piece of Plastigage in there. We're going to verify our bearing clearance. That little strip is going to be squished in between the bearing and the journal, and then we're going to measure it on the gauge, and it's going to tell us our clearance. We're looking probably around 2,000. I'd like to see. Looks like we got some decent squish there. Yeah, right about 2,000. Our new bearings seem to be spot on. We could take a look at the journal. A bit closer to the 2,000s, which I like to see. We'll clean that up and do our final install. And that'll be one down. Do it 8 more times. It's worth the extra install and removal and then back and forth. This is super important. If you have any sort of low clearance or even excessive clearance, that can cause some pretty severe engine damage.